Hey guys, you're back with another YouTube video. Today we are going to be talking about a major winter storm. We'll be talking about the second wave of snow and the remains of the first wave of snow all today. So right now we are talking about, and we'll also go to many different National Weather Service offices, and then I'm also going to search up WSSI, the winter storm severity index today. Right. So first we're going to start out with the models. So the HRRR models are showing a lot of snow. This is right now. A lot of snow headed in, some little heavy snow bands near the freezing rain, sleet, and snow line. A lot of heavier snow right there down in Oklahoma. So a big wide part of heavy snow right here going through, and then a big area of freezing rain and sleet coming in right here. So if you're in any of these areas, you need to be prepared because you are under freezing rain and sleet right now, and you could get some ice totals. So now, this is where the ice and freezing rain really progresses. So you got right over here some pretty good snow, and then some heavier snow into this area right here. So if you're in Tulsa, Oklahoma City, you could be getting some good totals from this wave of snow. And then very huge amount of freezing rain and ice possibilities. If you're in that, be careful because you're getting heavy freezing rain into this area. And then by this update, you can see more freezing rain going all the... Oh, I didn't make it do a good job right drawing it. Went all the way into there. Some major freezing rain over here. Heavy freezing rain right here. And more lighter freezing rain over into here. And then very heavy snow coming into this area right here, and lighter snow coming in over here. The next range, heavier snow pushing into this area, then very big amounts of ice into this area. And a lot of heavy ice in this area in Arkansas, Missouri, Boot Heel, Kentucky, and Tennessee. So now you got even more freezing rain and ice going through here, very heavy, and more snow going into this area. You can see it forming on. You can see some nice freezing rain to the Boot Heel of Missouri, and the southern Illinois, and the Kentucky, and Indiana, and Ohio, and into Arkansas and Tennessee. And some not nice good accumulations of snow heading in for here. And then you can see the ice heading into Kentucky, Ohio, and some big time rain heading into right here, and even some possible severe weather that will be shown at the end of the video here. And then very, very heavy snow into this area right here, and then even more freezing rain and sleet going into this area up in the northeast. So that's the HRRR model that's being shown. Now this is the NAM. You can see decent freezing rain and ice Sleet coming in here. And then swooshing through. Some heavy snow and ice. Right? Alright, so now we're going to head to the National Weather Service in St. Louis, Missouri. So this is for all the people into this area right here. So you got decent 5 to 7 inches of snow from the second round in St. Louis, 6 to 9 in Hillsboro, 5 to 7 in Farmington, 4 to 7 in Chester, 6 to 8 in Steelville. No, this will also, like National Weather Service in St. Louis says, snowfall map reflects accumulation because of a lot of freezing rain down here, so not as much as totals. 5 to 8 in Lebanon, 4 to 6 in Lake Ozark, 4 to 6 in Jeff City, 4 to 6 in Herman, 4 to 6 in Troy, 4 to 6 in Carlinville, 4 to 6 in Vandalia, 5 to 7 in Salem, 6 to 8 in Steelville, 5 to 7 in Nashville, and 2 to 5 in Marion, and 1 to 4 in Cape Girardeau. That's right. Now we're going to the National Weather Service in Little Rock, Arkansas. So this is the forecast freezing rain. So up here, 0.05 to 1 in Hardy. In Jonesboro, 0.24 to 0.5 inches of sleet, and then 0.24 to 0.5 in West Memphis, which is pretty populated, and then Little Rock, 0.25 to 0.5. I'm not going to show every single area because there's so many areas. 0.25 to 0.5 in Prescott, 0.25 to 0.5, 0.15 to 0.24 in El Dorado. So basically the whole entire state of Arkansas is going to be getting freezing rain. Fort Smith, 0.5 to 0.1 in Fayetteville. Really not much, like most closer to nothing in Fayetteville. And then Pine Bluff, 0.5 to 0.7. So if you're in this area, you're going to get the highest amount of totals of ice. And in this area, 0.5 to 0.7 in here, very dangerous. You guys need to keep an eye on this for power outages and many other dangerous things. Potential sleet and snow accumulation. You can see 6 to 7 up here. This is where some of the snow totals gets higher. And this is including sleet. So remember, sleet could make the totals go up higher. So, and then lows tonight, down here, not gonna get snow at all in my opinion, because look, 34, 30, just not cold enough for lows tonight. And 15 in Fayetteville, which will produce some more snow. 16 in Harrison. In Little Rock, 26. And West Memphis, 31. Great. Now, National Weather Service in Memphis, Tennessee. So Memphis getting into 0.25 to 0.5. 0.5 to 0.75 in Fort City, Arkansas. Dyersburg, Tennessee, under 0.5 to 0.75, 0.5 to 75, 0.75 in Union City, and Jackson under 0.1 to 0.25. Anywhere in this, you should be keeping an eye on for ice. The main area for the worst ice will be anywhere in this red and darker shade of red right here. So that's what's gonna happen. This is the ice accumulations. National Weather Service in Dallas shows 0.25 to 0.5 in this red area in green. So anywhere in this area is going to get 0.25 to 0.5. Anywhere in this area is going to get more than 0.1 of ice right here. Especially in the Dallas area is getting 0.1 to 0.25. So keep an eye on that in that area. Now we're going to look at snow. So this is the high-end chance, and this is their forecast. So 1 to 2 in Dallas, 2 to 3 in Fort Worth, 2 to 3 in Jacksboro, and 3 to 4 in Bold. 1 to 2 in Paris. Alright, I just can't keep speaking about that, but then I'm going to talk about the ice. Snow, 8 to 12 in Tulsa. That's not going to really be snow. Some of that's going to be sleet. So more, less. I think a little less in Tulsa. And then ice, very high accumulations, 0.5 to 0.75 up here. Anywhere in this area, I'm thinking the worst amount of ice expected. Not much in Tulsa. Now to National Weather Service in Paducah, Kentucky. So you got 0.25 to 0.5 in Jasper. So anywhere into this area right here is getting 0.25 or more in that area. And anybody in this area, 0.5 or more. So keep an eye on if you're in this area. This is a lot of ice. You need to be careful. So now to the Winter Storm Severity Index. So you got some extreme impacts down here from this ice storm. Yeah, moderate impacts down here for the ice, and then some impacts down here in Tulsa for the snow, and some major impacts up there in St. Louis. And then more major to extreme impacts into this area, and then a big swath of major to extreme or moderate for the ice. So now we are going to talk about the severe weather potential. So this is the severe weather threat. I do think there could be a few tornadoes, more than one tornadoes today in this area. This will most likely be upgraded to a slight risk in the northern side right here. And it's not going to be some kind of tornado outbreak, but I can see that there would be a few tornadoes. So this is where I think the slight risk is going to be, right in here. Maybe even pushing a little further down this way, like that. So yeah, and then tornado 2% in this area. I think they could push the tornado threat further north up here. But yeah, we'll talk about more of this tomorrow. And I might be uploading a video tomorrow, might not. We'll see if I'm busy or not. So I hope you guys liked this video. I'm going to end it today, and bye.